I was a fool. Lead the men to the far side of the island.
Right.
Go with the men.
I think I'll stay, just in case you're thinking of doing something crazy.
I can buy them a few minutes if I give that thing someone to hunt.
Then I can double that time.
Here!
Oh, no!
Look at us! We're on a dragon! We're on dragons! All of us!
Every bit the boar-headed, stubborn Viking you ever were.
Fish legs, break it down!
Okay, heavily armored skull and tail made for bashing and crushing. Steer clear of both. Small eyes, large nostrils, relies on hearing and smell.
Okay, left, legs, hang in his blind spot. Make some noise, keep it confused. Rough, tough, find out if it has a shot limit. Make it mad.
That's my specialty.
It's wet. Everyone knows I'm more irritating, see? Just do what I told you. I'll be back as soon as I can. Don't worry, we got it covered.
Yeah! Woo!
Troll,
Bud elf.
bride of Grendel.
This thing doesn't have a blind spot.
There. Go help the others. Okay, hold on. It's working!
Yeah, it's working. I've lost power on the Gronkle. Stall out. Do something. I'm okay. Less okay.
I can't miss! What's wrong, buddy? You got something in your eye?
Yeah, you're the Viking.
Whoa! You got it, bud.
Hiccup! I'm sorry. For everything.
Yeah, me too.
You don't have to go up there.
We're Vikings. It's an occupational hazard.
I'm proud to call you my son.
Thanks, Dad.
He's up. Get Snotmouth out of there.
I'm on it first! I'm ahead of you!
Let me try.
No, this way! Don't push
Your teeth out.
No, yeah, well, that worked! Get her! Did you get her? Okay, let's see if it can use them. You think that did it? Well, he can fly. Okay, Toothless. Time to disappear. Come on, bud! Here it comes! Watch out! Okay, time's up. Let's see if this works. Come on! They're the best you can do! Stay with me, buddy. We're good. Just a little bit longer. Hold, Toothless. No! No! Gotta block him out, Toothless. Do you trust me, bud? We can do this. You and me. As one. That's it. Now let's try this one more time.
Take him down, babe!
Go get him.
Take control of it!
Shut it out, Toothless.
Stop them!
Now! Not again. Toothless! It's now or never! Come on, bud! Hold on! Yeah! We did it! Hold him there, Toothless. It's all over now.
Or is it?
to protect you!
No, 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 no! No! Fight back! Fight! Fight! What's the matter with you?
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never! Come on!
The Alpha protects them all.
You didn't think I'd actually hand you the Night Fury, did you? He's mine to kill.
That snake!
I intend to finish what I started. Best of luck controlling them without an Alpha.
Could have used some practice! I should have skipped breakfast!
Perfect timing! Game faces!
Yeah! What are you waiting for? Get in there!
Heads up!
Thanks. Look out!
Thanks. I'm coming, Toothless!
You still think he cares about you? Let's just see who he follows.
sorry, bud. For everything. Now let's go get her.
Number 2, coming through! Surprise! Sorry about that. Come on! One more free, 4 to go! Try to keep up!
I got you, Max! Oh, come on! Yeah, it's almost like we're a team.
You brought a baby to a battle.
I wouldn't do that if I were you. God, I love that dragon.
Sorry we're late for the party.
You're right on time. That's it. That's it.
How are we gonna get him off her back without hurting her?
Near the facial hair!
Oh, I have missed this.
Me too!
See that there?
Oh, cute.
That's a bad omen. You're cursed. Yes! Oh, good on ye! I guess you're not so bad after all.
We've got problems.
Take him down, Hiccup!
We need a better plan! And quick! What are you doing? Okay.
You killed both of us! Fighting over a dragon? That's your plan?
This is. Save him. See? I knew you'd come around. Hey, good morning, bud. There you go. Boy, you're full of surprises. He's all yours.
You know, Eric may be blessed with brawn, but just between us, you have the brains.
Number one.